Have you ever seen those cute wooden pumpkins at home stores and thought, I could make that? Hey there, I'm Scott. Thank you for stopping by. I'm the owner of sawsonskates.com, where I share easy woodworking plans, space-saving workshop solutions, and beginner-friendly courses. I stumbled across a version of these pumpkins in a Facebook woodworking group and immediately thought I can put my own spin on that and use up some of the scrap wood in my shop while I'm at it. Not trying to brag, but I love how they turned out. They've got that Marshalls or Target look, but it's totally DIY. I made two sizes, short and tall, and I've got plans for both, including dimensions and step-by-step instructions over on my site sawsonskates.com. I'll drop the link in the description box below this video so you can grab it there. Now, the one I saw used orange painted square 2x2s. But here's how I made mine in just one afternoon. I had some cedar scraps left over from my log cabin bird feeder, and the color reminded me of a pumpkin, so I thought, perfect. From scraps to stunning, right? I used a table saw to shape my logs and rounded the edges with a router. But here's the thing, no fancy tools, no problem. You could do the same with just sandpaper and whatever leftover wood you've got lying around. Pretty much any kind or size will work. I left mine natural because I like the warm wood tone, but you could totally customize yours. Paint them orange, white, distress them a little. Whatever fits your fall vibe. Before I show you the finished pumpkins, I wanted to mention a few other Halloween projects you might enjoy, like these pumpkin lanterns, made from old siding I pulled off my garage, this cat porch leaner sign, also garage siding, and this retro Halloween cat shelf sitter, which was another fun little scrap wood build. Whether you're decorating for Halloween, Thanksgiving, or the whole fall season, these pumpkins work great on a mantle, sideboard, or as part of a tablescape. To get your copy of the Tabletop Pumpkins plan, or any of the Halloween plans, please visit my site, sawsonskates.com, using the links in the description box below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it the thumbs up. It's one of the best ways to support my building plans.